Want to make your next scoop of ice cream taste like something magical? Stick around. I've got a 4-ingredient, 5-minute recipe that transforms plain peanut butter into a beautiful candy shell. It turns hard the second it touches the cold ice cream, and quite frankly, your cold desserts are never going to be the same. Come on, I'll show you how. We start with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and a tablespoon of water. Put it in a saucepan and cook just until the sugar dissolves. It'll be a nice syrup. And then we add the peanut butter. You can use chunky or smooth, natural, or whatever store brand you like. And then comes the coconut oil. This is the magic ingredient, so we add about 5 tablespoons of that into the peanut butter mixture and cook until it's smooth. You can use this right off the stove or keep the magic shell in the fridge until you're ready. Peanut fanatics will love this. As soon as you put it onto the ice cream, it starts to harden. Look at that beautiful shell. It's kind of chewy and crisp and just goes so good with ice cream or even a frozen banana, frozen yogurt, you name it. So this is the peanut butter magic shell after it's been in the refrigerator, and as you can see, it's completely hardened. That's because coconut oil is liquid at room temperature, but solid when it touches something cold, and that's what makes it magic. So I recommend storing this in a glass jar in the fridge, and then when you take it out, just take the lid off, pop it in the microwave for a few seconds to loosen it up, and then pour it over your ice cream. If you like this recipe or you make any fun changes to it, let me know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate it.